Hello everyone and welcome to a new super duper useless tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to properly insert a USB cable into a USB port. Now this is a USB port, as you can see here. It doesn't matter if it's an AC adapter like this one or a USB port like the one on your PC. As long as it's a USB port, it's fine and you can follow along. And this is a USB cable. The reason why it's blue is because this is a USB 3.0 cable. Now, in order to insert this cable, you have to make sure this part of the cable goes into the USB port. Now, as you can see, it doesn't quite fit, and that's because when you first try to insert it, you have to flip it over, or otherwise it won't fit. Now, if we try again, you will notice that now it fits perfectly. And that's how you insert the USB cable into a USB port. Now, if this tutorial was completely useless and a waste of time and you liked it, don't forget to smash the dislike button now. And as always, I'm gonna see you on the next one.